After days of weighing allegations of misconduct, News Channel 5's learned the judge in the John Goodman trial will in fact ask jurors about those accusations. Defense attorneys raised concerns over reports of a book deal and allegations of disparaging remarks about Goodman's wealth. They worried it may have tainted the opinion of what they say should have been an impartial jury. News Channel 5's Alex Sands has covered the trial for us, and he's here with new information. Alex?
At the center of this, as you said, Michael, allegations of jury misconduct. And this, should John Goodman get a new trial? After days of weighing this, the judge said no to a new trial. He will, though, question jurors.
The state would like to, first and foremost,
serious allegations. And now, what's next? Judge Jeffrey Colbath deciding a short time ago the jurors who weighed John Goodman's guilt over 3 weeks of trial would have to answer allegations of misconduct. Fellow juror Ruby Delano, an alternate, raised the concerns to defense attorneys that jurors talked about the case before deliberations, that some were biased by John Goodman's wealth, that during the trial, juror Dennis DeMartin was writing a book.
She might have been upset that the judge dismissed those two and they couldn't be with us for the deliberation. I'm only human, and this is one of my flaws. I get hurt when somebody questions my character.
You have to cross kind of a pretty bright line before verdicts get set aside and new trials are granted. And so I want to get a firmer understanding of where that line is to be drawn, and then set about the task of figuring out, do these allegations fall on one side of that line or the other.
The backdrop is twofold. It comes as defense attorneys ask the judge to free John Goodman during appeal, and 10 days before he's sentenced for DUI manslaughter in connection with the death of Scott Wilson.
It's rare for juries to be interviewed in cases like this, but when there are serious allegations of jurors misconduct, the court is going to weigh this very heavily. This will go up to the 4th District Court of Appeal for their review as to whether or not Mr. Goodman will get a new trial.
Of all the allegations, and there were 8, the judge will focus on one. Were there conversations about John Goodman's wealth? And if there were, did this taint the jury? It now appears sentencing's been postponed. It was a week from Monday. This is now the day the judge will speak with jurors. Alex Sands, WPTV News Channel 5.